Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is powered and paired. This prevents interruptions. Once done, wake and unlock the watch, then open Settings, tap the gear icon. If your model relies on a companion app, open it now and navigate to Device Settings so both interfaces are ready. You do this because some watches prefer the phone as the source of truth. Preparing both ensures you can change time locally or via the app without confusion or accidental resync. You now locate date and time in the menu. Once there, turn off automatic time and automatic time zone. This frees the fields for manual entry. Next, choose set time and adjust hours and minutes. Make sure to pick AM or PM if not in 24-hour mode. If you need a different zone, change time zone or use manual offset. After entering values, tap Save or Apply. Make sure the display shows the intended time, because some models require confirmation to avoid accidental changes. You finish by restarting the watch or forcing a sync from the companion app so the new time sticks. Once rebooted, verify the display matches your intended setting. Compare it to your phone only if you left the phone set manually, because automatic phone time can overwrite the watch. If the watch resyncs and reverts, disable auto time on your phone, unpair and repair the device, or temporarily toggle Bluetooth. These steps stop persistent automatic updates and let your manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.